Good afternoon. Welcome to Salarjung Museum. I am A. Nagendra Reddy, Director, Salarjung Museum, Hyderabad, India. Salarjung Museum every year celebrates World Earth Day. To speak about Salarjung Museum is a world-known museum on decorative arts. The collection belongs to Salarjung family, and in 1951 it was opened by the then Prime Minister of India, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, and from 61 onwards it is under Government of India. The museum developed into 3 buildings. Mostly the museum have a collection of Western art and Far Eastern art, also this Indian art. Museum have different collections like porcelain, cloaks, paintings, Western art, Western porcelain, Eastern porcelain, to name it, all more than 33 countries collection we have in its buildings. Every year, Salarjung Museum celebrates World Earth Day with different events. This year, we are joining with earthday.org. The museum organizing exhibition on water, importance of water. Our renowned photographer, Mr. Janardhan, agreed to have this exhibition. He is specialized in different themes, and his photography on this occasion is on water with different colors and tones to show the techniques of photography and also importance of water. Both you can see in this exhibition. We know that the water is important for life. The water and life both are interlinked. Without water, there will not be any life. In fact, the human body itself have more than 80% of water. So, to focus the importance of water, we are organizing this thematic exhibition in Salarjung Museum. Mr. Janardhan Kurramula, photographs on water and waves, and MC Shekhar, photographs and tribes will be showcased. We know that the importance of nature. The tribes and the nature both are intermingled. The nature protects the tribes and tribes protect the nature. That we want to showcase in this exhibition. Equally, the museum organizes every year different events to focus on different themes. So, on this Earth Day, museum also planning the exhibition and also online participation of students. Hope the message will spread. Artist for Earth, the theme of the earthday.org will spread to all the people who visit the museum. Thank you.